EA1280R1 LED display, measuring 1280mm by 960mm and utilizing 320 by 160mm modules, is a versatile solution suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. Featuring two quick locks on the top and left side of the cabinet, EA1280R1 ensures a swift and efficient installation process. The compact structure of EA1280R1 LED display facilitates quick maintenance operations. The back cover can be easily opened, streamlining access for maintenance tasks and minimizing downtime. To address heat dissipation concerns, EA1280R1 LED display is equipped with 4 wing fans on the back cover. Whether used indoors or outdoors, EA1280R1 is designed to maintain consistent performance and reliability.